Ladies and gents, I'm about to assemble this Escape illuminated relaxation fountain real quick. Create an oasis of lights and serenity. Convenient tabletop size. Straight out of the box, this is what you get. All the accessories, parts, and also the stones here. So I will attempt to put these together and present to you. Let's begin. So we have this right here. Everything comes well packaged. I'm going to take everything out of the package first. And also it has an instruction manual, of course. So this is the power adapter. I'm going to plug it in right here. Alright, ladies and gents, this is what it looks like. Takes you about a minute to put this together. I didn't even have to look at the instruction manual. So I believe so. We're gonna put some water here and then plug this on. Okay, this is the button right here. You can turn it on. And I'm gonna use some of the stones just to put it right in the spots, and that's it. Ladies and gents, voila! Look at this, fancy! And now, of course, the moment of truth. Once I actually fill this up, I'm going to show you the final product in place. So